Great leaders don't tell you what to do. They show you how it is done. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the head girl of the school, Miss Sumaya Fatima, to deliver her speech. Vibrant and vivacious, an excellent orator, capable of mesmerizing the audience with her speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah. I owe this honor of standing in front of you to my Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for descending His countless favors and blessings upon me. 12 years of blue and white, oiled hair, making cues, being timed, being watched, matching black with black, white with white. Hold on to your gowns and hoods, graduates. What they cost us was exorbitant. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, His Excellency, Consul General of India, Mr. B.S. Mubarak. Guest of Honor and Keynote Speaker, Chief Editor of the Saudi Gazette, Madam Sumaya Jabbati. Chairman and eminent members of the School Managing Committee, distinguished guest of the evening, respected principal, vice principals, HMs, teachers, parents, and the exquisite batch of 2015. Assalamu alaikum and a delightful evening to you all. From No, Usman Bhai, there's no technical problem. This was our beginning at IISJ. Completely lost. Hardly able to figure out what's what, why is that, who's who. And then our middle school, Earth, universe, globe, trying to sink in the loads of knowledge imparted. Followed by a high school, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Private income is equal to NDP at FC plus NFIA plus NDI plus NCT ROW minus IFPGARD minus SNDPSE. Or the lens maker's formula, 1 by F is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Hush! From Ding Dong Bells to the Invisible Man by H.G. Wells. Our lives are within courts of IISJ. Knowing well that this is going to be my last speech with all of you together, and with awareness that I am leaving IISJ, I feel safe to speak what I am to speak and make the most of this opportunity. IISJ has an indelible presence in my life, and same is true for the 600 odd students sitting here. But when I was browsing the net for institutions for further studies, I realized my school does not provide world-class infrastructure and facilities. The state-of-art classrooms equipped with smart boards, virtual labs, well-equipped gymnasiums and lofty eating areas, we rush to find our classrooms for option classes. But IISJ does produce 100% results in CBSE board exams. Shines consistently, be it clusters or nationals, Darul Hikmah or SAT exams. IISJs register in capturing success. Their presence is poignant, be it working with the Ministry, Times of India, or even at Harvard's. I realize that my school is more like a Bollywood thriller in reality, where everything is possible with nothing. And that's because people who make IISJ are Anna style. A thud of Anna's feet, a flip of his handkerchief, and a fierce glare can magically overcome what 50 men with armed military paraphernalia cannot. Every single person associated with IISJ is a stalwart who demonstrates in live action that determination, meticulous planning, skills and hard work can overcome all hassles of scarcity and unavailability with mere chalk and board. Pen and paper can outdo the modern technological paraphernalia. If ever in life you stop dreaming success owing to lack of support resources, then do look up to them for abounding inspiration. I am proud to be a product of IISJ. Hard work, commitment, and passion found here is a rarity. It may not be a world-class institution, but it certainly is a class apart institution. Graduation ceremony today was a dream of some for years. The ones whom we first robbed of peace and sleep, drove them crazy by our nasty tantrums. Firstly, all gratitude goes to our personal security officer when we thought surely pitenge. She rushed to our rescue to avoid any casualties. Bacche hain, maaf kar dijiye. The person who gives unabated service and demands no holidays and no pay. No yoga and exercise can give you peace of mind and heart like your warm embrace, mama. मैंने बुलंदियों के हर निशान को छुआ. जब माँ ने गोद में उठाया तो आसमान छुआ. Mama, thank you. There's someone else who needs to be thanked equally. Papa, you gave up your cricket and football matches to let us enjoy our crazy reality shows. Gave up your relaxation time to drop us for combined studies and tuitions. Trips, treats, mobiles, dresses, we have dug a hole in your pocket. You made our every wish come true. We have extracted every bit of you without a bit of guilt. Attempts to repay you will be foolish and beyond our capability. But to fulfill your dreams from today will be our single endeavor, inshallah. There are many ogling at me from down there, and I think it is just not safe for me to get down without making a mention of them. Crazy, weird, eccentric, but dear friends. Every day was a celebration with you all. We all can't disagree how we loved sitting in the school corridor. Nothing tastes better than hot gossips and arguing and debating about who's more good looking. Arjun Kapoor or Siddharth Malhotra? Or is it Aditya Roy Kapoor? We shared the same excitement, happiness and fear. Ours sitting in the auditorium, often restless yet happy that classes are being missed. The most exciting day in our life when our teacher is absent during a class test. The worst fear is when a strict invigilator crushes our hopes of getting a peek into someone else's paper, hopes going down straight to zero. H.G. Wells must be acknowledged that his novel, The Invisible Man, is no more a science fiction. We have scores of invisible friends who make our food disappear, just like Anil Kapoor in Mr. India, when we step out of the classroom to follow the human etiquettes of washing our hands before eating. Mom, now you know as to why I'm so thin. Didn't we just hate the report card day when our parents saw the toppers list on the notice board, tapped our heads and said, "Kuch seekho." The story doesn't end here. The story doesn't end here. The thought that chases the toppers, दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो दुख होता है, लेकिन अगर दोस्त टॉप कर जाए तो ज्यादा दुख होता है. बहुत कुछ शेयर किया है, एक और बात शेयर करूंगी. दोस्तों, हमने जबरदस्त तैयारी कर ली है, आप भी कर लेना, क्योंकि जब दोस्त स्टॉप करेंगे तो ज्यादा दुख होने वाला है. Hats off to my cabinet team. You worked diligently, checked nails, scarves, wrong shoes and ensured discipline. I consider my cabinet the best because only they know the secret for having 1,400 monsters in a block and complete silence to the extent that if A.K. Hangal from Sholay walks along the school corridor after the assembly, he is sure to retort, "Itna sannata kyun hai bhai?" I always called my batch 2015 as the D batch, the doer batch. Not meaninglessly, but because I had faith that they would pulse the shift of time and act swiftly. Dear friends, as children, we wrote poems about my mother, my school, my home. I was startled to read a poem written by my niece studying in 3rd grade, titled A Child's Plea. I am a child. I was told that childhood is all about candies, paper boats, and video games. But what I see is fire, bullets, blood, and children crying. I want to play with my friends and not sigh. I want to eat candies and enjoy lollipops and not get scared. I want to sleep listening to lullabies and not war sirens. We are children. Please listen to our plea. Do you sense the need of time? Pictures of Gaza and Peshawar flash in front of my eyes. A girl in pink frock stretching out her arms never left my eye over her teary eyes, which seemed to cry out, "Speak, speak for me." We cannot be content dabbling with earning good positions, high salaries, and a comfortable home. We are bound to work for larger issues. We have to speak for Ataullah Khan, for Zulfikar Muhammad, and for Ammar, who could have graduated along with us today at the Peshawar Army School. Now can you feel the pulsating urgency for change and action? With us, Google was possible. WhatsApp was possible. Driverless cars are possible. We barely know what impossible is. We are the power, the strength, the future. Ours is the world. And we will renovate the world and usher in a renaissance where peace will gobble up violence and terror before it gobbles us up. We are not going to adjust and compromise with the existent order because we are not a guest. We are here to stay. Thank you. I am not in a hurry to leave. I want to give a lasting glance to a sight which I will cherish all my life. The ever-inspiring smile of our principal, sir. Farah ma'am, we have exhausted you, but another plea for your prayers. Rita ma'am, thank you a gazillion times for Shallal trip and all the efforts you have put in for us. Time has done nothing to these gorgeous faces. Nusrat madam, Aisha Rafai madam, Ghazala madam, Maria Ramaswamy madam, and how can we all forget Kuchu madam? Loads of love from us and a big thank you. My dear teachers, I may not be around rushing to get water for you when you cough. I may not be around to pick your pen first when it falls. So I leave a note, I will be of help. Trusting the capabilities you have inculcated in me, I leave saying I will be honored if you ever count on me for absolutely anything. I will be of help. Thank you Adiba and Samia, creative pop heads of IISJ. Rovina D'Souza, our Shakuntala Devi. You have been an amazing entertainer with your grades and jokes. Shuruk the Shakespeare, you were of great help. Kristen and team, you have to be appreciated for helping us make some sense out of Mangalyam Tantunanena, Pinne Jeevitam Dhuntunanena. The Burj Khalifa of IISJ, Fatima Khalifa, congrats. You have successfully installed your culexity and coolness in everyone. Honey Singh, Isra Bhai, you rock. To all my friends, तू रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समुंदर भी आएगा, थक हार के ना रुकना ए मंजिले मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी, मिलने का मजा भी आएगा. You all are going to stay and linger in my hearts. It is in IISJ that we learned that the world is full of good people. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He makes us one of them. With tons of memories and a heavy heart, with creative mind and a vision, I, Sumayya Fatima, sign off and walk down, wishing you all the happiness and success in both the worlds. Jazakallahu khair and thank you.
Thank you, Sumayya.